Happy Wine Wednesday. Wanted to share with you my take on French toast. There's going to be a little bit of a twist on it, which is why I wanted to show you how I like to cook French toast. And you can have it for breakfast and brunch typically, but today we're hosting it on Wine Wednesday, and I really like to cook it because it's fast and it's delicious. So let's take a look at the ingredients. We have quail egg, we have a chicken egg, we have ghee, and we have fleur de sel. It's a fancy French name for saying salt. It's a flour salt. We have condensed milk, which is very sweet, 5-spice, lemon, and orange. You're wondering why we have it? I'll show you after. And thick sliced bread. So first, let's crack our eggs. Then we whisk them out. Then we gotta add some milk. Put some milk in. Just eyeball it. That's good enough. Gotta make sure it's mixed in super well. A bit of salt. And now the condensed milk. It's got the spoon here. It only goes in the middle, in the inside, so to speak. It can get very messy, so do your best to try to mitigate the mess. So I put about yay much here. Slather it over. Maybe a little bit more. Don't want to overdo it. And close it up. I'll put this in last minute. Now to fire up the stove. We have 2 pans here and I'll show you why afterwards. Turn that on, turn that on. Now as that's heating up, it is Wine Wednesday. So what are we going to pair French toast with? I'll show you. Got this nice bottle of rosé right here. You can see, you gotta drink it a little bit chilled. And the cool thing about this is the bottle, you can reuse it because this is how you open it, like so. So let's pour a glass first. And we'll taste it after. Next thing up we have is ghee. Actually, I'll taste it now. That's good. Next we have ghee. So instead of using butter, this is an alternative. It's high smoke point. It's great for baking and cooking. And it's a source of vitamins A, D, E, and K, and it's keto friendly. So it's just a healthier alternative than to use butter. So let's put the ghee in here. And then we'll put in this pan as well. This pan will actually be for the quail egg. And again, you're wondering why, I'll show you afterwards. So now the pot's hot and ready. We're gonna put our mix, our egg and milk mix with this bread. Got to really drench it up, get all the egg in there. You don't want to soak it for too long, or it'll be too mushy. So we're ready. I'm going to put this into the hot pan. You hear that sizzling up. So as this is cooking up, we're going to do a flip. That's the color we want to see. Okay. So I got scissors in my hand because these little quail eggs, they're hard to crack actually for such a little egg like this. It got a pretty hard shell. So I'll just cut off the top and then pour in this bowl. Shells out, put it here. So the French toast is pretty much ready. We're gonna fry this quail egg here. French toast is pretty much ready. Got a beautiful color on it. So let's lay this down on a table. And actually missed a step. Supposed to put some of this 5-spice into the egg mixture. So I'm just gonna put a bit of it now. It does add a nice flavor. I'm just gonna sprinkle on top of it, like so. It'll still have the nice same effect of taste. And then now lastly, the quail egg. So our quail egg is ready. I'm gonna put this nice little quail egg around top, like so. I should have put 2. And then the finishing touch, because it is a very savory dish, want to grate some lemon zest on it. A bit of lemon zest, like so. Oops, that wasn't so. So for those of you who want to donate a new grater, I'm more than welcome. We got a bit of lemon zest and then a bit of orange zest as well. So this will, the acid from the lemon zest will neutralize some of the savoriness that's in this plate. Could you put maple syrup? Yes, you can, but don't forget that we've put condensed milk in there. So it is already very sweet. So come with me on this side. And here we have it. My style on French toast. Cheers. Here, give it a try. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe, stay active, and give me back my fork. Take care. Bye-bye.